In our video, my criticism of the perceptualist model of divine cognition was predicated on the assumption that future events do not exist. That is to say, it is predicated on the assumption that temporal becoming is an objective feature of reality and not merely a subjective feature of human consciousness. That is to say, things really do come into being and pass out of existence. This is sometimes called a tensed theory of time, or a dynamic theory of time, or an A theory of time. But on a static theory of time, or a tenseless theory of time, or what's sometimes called the B theory of time, temporal becoming is an illusion. In fact, past, present, and future events are all equally real. And it is only a subjective illusion of human consciousness that time is passing. In fact, everything is fixed and immutable at its various positions in the timeline. Now, if you adopt that kind of tenseless, static model of time, then I think the perceptualist model makes more sense, because then the future is there to be perceived, in a sense, which it is not on a tensed theory of time where you have objective temporal becoming. So this would illustrate again the really fundamental importance of your understanding of time, an issue which theologians are usually very ill-equipped to address, and yet a philosophical question that is, I believe, a watershed in terms of many theological doctrines. And just one example of these would be your model of divine foreknowledge.